Hey everyone, welcome to Kindness Week, a collaboration between Kaplan and the Kindness Factory. Here we are in Sydney. We're about to go out into the community and do acts of kindness via our bingo cards. We had Adelaide yesterday, and we're doing Perth on Wednesday, Brisbane on Thursday, and then we're over in Melbourne on Friday. The big thing with Kindness Week is we want staff and students to come together and go out into our local community and do acts of kindness to the local public. We have our kindness bingo card with 16 different acts of kindness. We're splitting out into groups and we're going around the whole city doing acts of kindness to the general community. Behind me, all the staff are ready to go. So let's go and do Kindness Week.